thing I've always wanted to say to Susan Brooks. Susan, here's one I met earlier.
This is George.
I know.
I'm highly honoured to have you in my kitchen. He's eating all the ingredients before he started. Now, the reason I'm honoured to have you here is that what you eat is to do with your religion, isn't it?
No, nothing to do with it.
Is it not to do with being a
No,
Buddhist?
I just eat vegetarian food because I don't like eating animals.
But that doesn't go with the Buddhism, because an awful lot of Buddhists are, in fact, vegetarians.
Yeah, but a lot of Buddhists also eat meat as well.
Yeah, look at the Thais, yeah.
I mean, a lot of people that, lots of people eat meat, don't they?
I've gathered together one or two little things. I didn't know what